up, guys? Mechanic's Garage coming at you. Today we are going to try to do a cabin air filter in a 2014 to I think it's a 2018 GMC Sierra pickup truck. This Sierra is the extended cab, but this air filter process should pretty much be the same whether it's an extended cab or the crew cab. And yes, it is nighttime while we're doing this because it needs to get done and we're bored. So you got your double glove box here. Open up your top, open up your bottom, and you've got some screws. Our poignant light. Got some screws right there, and they are Torx screws. So we'll find out what size Torx those are. All right, guys, this Torx appears to be a T15. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts. I know we got two up here. I believe there's two more down below. So we'll take a look and see if we can locate those for you. Yep, as suspected, there's two more. There's one there, and there's one over here in the corner. So we're gonna go ahead and get those. All right, guys, once you get all those screws out, you're gonna just wanna tug on this whole unit. It's got these clips that's holding it in. So you just wanna tug on the unit. Gonna pull it all the way out, and that cone perforated box right there, that's where the cabin air filter is. So I believe to get this door open, there's like some little tabs up top. Just pop back on those. There's just two of them. There's the second one at. Oh, it's right over here in the corner. Gotta hurry to get my fat fingers in there. There we go. Here's a cabin air filter. I'm gonna blow this out, make sure there's not no dust going back in there. So now we're gonna fish our old filter out. Try to be cognizant of the direction that's in there. Oh my God, this thing hasn't been changed in ages. All right, here is our old filter. This thing ain't been changed in a while. And they recommend changing these like every 12,000 miles. And here's what a brand new one looks like. You can see it's all so fresh and so clean. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in. Make sure you pay attention to which way the airflow goes. And put everything back together. All right, we're sliding the new one in place, like so. And then we'll grab our door, put the two little tabs in on the bottom of your door. It's kind of hard to do this with two hands. I mean, with one hand, but it's got the little foot right there that goes into those holes. And you may have like one of these cables on your side or in your way, like I do. So I'm gonna try to get this in here. There we go. So I had to put the camera down to get this thing in here correctly. Here we go. Got that back in. Snap that in there. And now we'll go ahead and put our glove box back on. Make sure to line up the clip here. And there's also this little pin. And the pin lines up, where does it go here? Oh, right here at the top. There's one on both sides. Put those right in there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And once we got the pins lined up, this snapped right back in. Like I said, it had those two clips in there. So now I'll go ahead and put your screws back in. You know, your two up here and your two at the bottom, and then you'll be all set. All right, so we got our screws back in. You know, everything's locked down. we're all done. Pretty simple fix. You can do this in about 15, 20 minutes, maybe 30 if you keep getting interrupted like I did. But this is the part we used, CF11809, it's Air Technic. We got this off of eBay. They make a couple different ones you can use. You can probably get one at your local auto parts store. It was pretty cheap, only like 15 bucks. But that's pretty much it. Catch us on the next video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends.